We're all guilty of breaking God's laws.
Todos somos culpables de haber quebrantado la ley de Dios.
We've all sinned and come short of God's glory.
Todos hemos pecado y estamos separados de la gloria de Dios.
The wages of sin is death.
Porque la paga del pecado es muerte.
But God so loved the world, He gave His only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in Him shouldn't perish, but should have everlasting life.
Pero de tal manera amó Dios al mundo que ha dado a su Hijo unigénito para que todo aquel que en él cree no se pierda, mas tenga vida eterna.
Jesus Christ came on a rescue mission.
Porque Jesucristo vino a una misión de rescate.
And when He hung on that cross, it was your sins that took Him to the cross.
Y cuando él colgaba en la cruz, fueron tus pecados que lo llevaron a la cruz.
It was my sins that put Him on the cross.
Fueron mis pecados que lo llevaron a la
And He
cruz.
died and shed His blood for you and me.
Él murió y derramó su sangre por ti y por mí.
But on the third day, God raised His Son to life.